out all your life. There won't you? No one. This group, they don't want what I've got.
Guard!
Which part can you understand? Thanks? Or scared? They're not the only ones, huh? You hide it well. But you're terrified. Enjoy your empire while you can. Because it won't last long. You're empress of the world. For its last 5 minutes.
You're a fool, man. You should have tried to get away.
To where? I've got nowhere to go and no time to get there. This group is a sign.
Don't be stupid, man. Think of the power that works. We can rule the world.
You want it. You dream.
Max, no! No! Don't do it, Celine. You've been doing so well. Don't go back to all that. It's all right. I'm fine, really. What's all this? It's my emergency stash. The very last of it. I had it hidden in the sewers just in case. You sure? Yeah. Honest. I had a few dodgy moments today, but over Ryan, you can't help how he is. But I didn't go under. I really think I'm getting better. That's great. Thanks, Tyson. What for? I didn't believe you when you said you'd cured yourself. But I do now. I really think it's possible to cure yourself if you believe enough. Thanks. In fact, I think it's our only chance of survival. Believing. I fixed the helicopter. Saved the world, yes? Keep going. You're a last base tourist. Wait, we could get those. Okay, safe. Oh, wait a second. Was that the old days when we first came here? I just thought we'd feel safer if we were all together for a few nights. And where have you been? Claire and egg on the list. Oh, that's great. Who's turned over for the egg? Celine. That's all right, Patsy. You found it. You can have it. That's really nice. See how nice it is that people share, Patsy? And you can have some too if you like, Chloe. So, what's all this then? Just your average moral care and share night going on? You're cheered up. I know where Bray is. I found the locum. Did you get any food? Oh, sorry. Tarzan, what are you doing? Covering the mirror. Why? Feng shui. Mirror's in a sleeping place called bad energy. When you slept here before, was there a conflict? Yeah, there was a bit. We'll be there this time. Good. Well, is everyone ready for a story? Yes. Chloe? Yes, I feel so safe now. What's that? Why is that so? It's a helicopter. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Flying. Come on, Ebony.